All right, everybody, welcome back to Tech and Prep. This is another tech video. I have some prep videos that I'm in the process of developing and recording. I will get to those soon. The stuff on tech is just, it's daily. I can't keep up with it. There's so much going on with technology that is not good that it kind of boggles my mind. This video is about how insecure your phone is. Now you think to yourself, oh, I have Apple, oh, I have Android, short of having a Graphene OS or something like that. You think to yourself, well, if someone gets a hold of my phone, I can digitally reset it from remote, or I can track it. All that stuff is true. But not even the federal, but also the state and local municipalities and security and police, they have these tools to be able to plug your phone into it and get into it without you ever unlocking it. Those days are long gone, at least a decade plus gone. Here's a prime example. Now, this was not in the US, so I will say that much. But what happened was they have this device that they can plug your phone into. And obviously this is an artist rendering of it. You're not going to see the actual picture. And they were able to get into the phone without any problem. And you'll see this on other police type stuff, is when they have police reports on different activities going on, they'll get into a phone. And in this example, what do? They installed spyware on that phone. So not only do they unlock it with the Celebrate tool, but they then put NovaSpy spyware on it. This is not that difficult. This is stuff they can buy. This is stuff that these agencies can easily get, and these governments can easily get. When you go to these other countries, when you're involved in these other things, it is not hard for them to do this. If you think your Face ID or your complex password or your fingerprint ID, if you think that keeps the data safe on your phone, you are not paying attention. Just keep this in mind. When you're going out and you're doing stuff, if you're doing stupid shit, or you're doing any kind of stuff, or have any kind of privacy concerns, your stuff is not safe. They will get into your phone. Keep that in mind. Nothing on that little rectangle is private anymore. Keep it in mind. Tread carefully. Are you paying attention yet?